Hello everyone, this is Riddhi Tavde from Gossipfunda. Our today's video is about the Sims 4 repair rewards not working. So let us take a look at them. First is check for mods and custom content. Disable mods. Sometimes mods or custom content can interfere with the game's functionality. Try disabling all mods and custom content by going to Game Options, then selecting Others, and uncheck Enable Custom Content and Mods and Script Mods Allowed. Update mods. If you rely on mods, make sure that all are updated. Sometimes mods need to be updated after a new game patch. Step 2 is to repair the game. Open the Origin client or the EA app if you are using that. Go to the game library, then right click on the Sims 4 and select Repair. This will check for any missing or corrupted game files and fix them. Step 3 is to check game version. Make sure that your game is fully updated. Sometimes issues with rewards or other features can occur if you are running an outdated version of The Sims 4. As an updated version clears most of the software bugs, it is mostly recommended to use a updated game version. Then restart the game. Save and close the game completely, then restart it and see if the repair rewards begin to work properly. Last step is to reinstall the game. At the last, if none of the above steps work, try uninstalling and reinstalling The Sims 4. Be sure to back up and save your files in custom before doing this. A simple reinstallation of the game updates the game entirely and makes sure that the rewards problem is solved. Thank you. Hope that the video has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel Gossip Funda.